Hey, what is up, yo? Welcome to part 3 of Astroneer. Today, we are going to probably run cables from that structure over to here, because I have suspicions that it's a massive solar array. I don't know if we'll activate the core of this planet, but we might. And we're gonna go to the moon. Going to the moon is probably gonna be the first thing we do, because, for new technology, we need wolframite for, tungsten. Oh, hold on. So, Astropedia resources. Titanite found in Glacia. Okay, Titanite will be a later resource. Wolframite is found in DeSolo caves, so we'll focus on that for now. So we're gonna dump the storage in there. And I'll leave organic in that here. We're not gonna have any oxygen to bring with, so... Actually, I can just make some oxygen filters to have more oxygen time while mining for resources in the caves. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah, we'll launch and go. So, whoops. So that's 3. We're gonna get 4. There we go. I don't know why there's a packager in my inventory. I'm gonna put that away. So I'm gonna put that here and here. Oh, I have an extra piece. Okay, so I'll just put it here. I don't know why I put the packager where the furnace is, so I'll just put it where I just put it. Alright, we're gonna make oxygen filters. We're not gonna need tethers since I can't bring an oxygenator with me. So we got all of our oxygen filters crafted, very nice. I'm gonna leave my little friend here. It's pretty adorable. Alright, without any further distractions, let's go. Actually, hold on. Yes, I know it's kind of a distraction, but retooling might be important. Yeah, I'm gonna get a drill mod just in case. That might be important. I just need some ceramic for it. I can get clay pretty quickly through here. Alright, and I'm pretty sure we have everything that we're gonna need. So, actually, I'm going to take the work light with me. It might be useful in the dark caves. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna smelt this. And then after I make this, I'll make the drill mod, put it on my terrain tool, and go to the moon and get some resources. No, you're not allowed to die out on me. Don't you dare. Alright, now let's make the drill mod. Alright, and I will meet you guys when I'm on the moon. Alright, so here we are, we're orbiting the moon now. Let's find a good place to land. Ooh, that's pretty. I like this. Alright, thruster's halfway depleted, so... yeah, let's go. Wait. Yeah, still uses power. Okay, we might be a little bit cooked. Alright, let's get to the cave. Well, there's resin here, so we're not super limited by oxygen usage. I ended up in a pretty awkward area of the cave where there's a bunch of mac and cheese. There's a bunch of mac and cheese. Nice. I don't know if I should chill out on the mac and cheese jokes. Ah, jackpot. Just what I needed. I'm gonna make another, oxygen filter. Oh, come on, Light, you can handle it. I'm actually going to grab the storage unit. I will be right back once I have grabbed it. Alright, I got the storage device. I'm also gonna take this as a figurine and a sign that I've been here. There's some ladderite over there, but I got a bunch of that at home. I'm actually gonna get some of this too. This is a species of hazards you don't normally see on planet Silva, so yeah. Alright, we're gonna try to get as much of this as physically possible. Alright, I got the highest amount of wolframite I possibly could. I also ran out of power in the process, so let's take this back in the ship. Yeah, that one's broken. I'm not gonna come back for it. I will take these, though. Alright, I'll meet y'all back at the ship. Alright, we're back. Got all the goodies. Let's go home. The reason I got so much wolframite is that tungsten, which is what wolframite can be refined into, can be used to create machinery that will be useful in the late game. My engine blew up. Alright. Cool. And, oh crap, I still need to make a research chamber. I'll make one sometime this video, don't worry. Actually, if I execute it right, this video actually might be a little bit short. Alright. Need to make a little bit more storage, so... yeah, I'll get some resin for that. Actually, yeah, I'll just use this, so I only really need to print one more. This isn't gonna be permanently in my ship forever. It's just something I did to get more resources. I'm gonna put it in the smelting furnace, so it can be smelted in this sweet, juicy tungsten, which is useful. Man, why do I keep saying it like that? That's kind of, I don't know. Hey, I completed a mission. Talking tungsten. New mission, material matters, okay. I got a schematic for a medium generator and a floodlight, nice. Alright, what's the one? Material matters. Print a chemistry lab, create rubber plastic, okay. Glitch walkers. We'll do this after we complete the game, but yeah, complete mission, a core concept. A core concept. Activate a planet's core. Alright, so we're gonna also, while this melts, we're gonna try to run cables from the solar array over here. So I also wanted to do this because if it does generate a massive amount of power, it will be a huge help. Because running all of this machinery is not cheap in terms of power consumption. Actually, I'm gonna go snag some copper while we're at it. We can use that to make more extenders if we need to. Hold up, I might have had my microphone muted on accident. But yeah, I don't know if I did, so I'ma just kind of start yapping. So I smelted this tungsten, obviously I got that. I went over to the mountains and got some malachite. I completed a mission for doing that. It's called Digging Deeper. Actually, I'm gonna look at it right now. I haven't checked it yet. Oh. Yeah, I'll check that out later. I don't know what that's for. But also, yeah, that giant structure over there that we explored last episode. Yeah, I'm running cables from there over to base because I have suspicions that it's a giant solar array. Alright, I'm gonna take some of this out and put in this so I can make some more extensions. Extender cables, yeah. So, yeah, I ran out of cables, so I'm making more to run more. But I'm also gonna get some more malachite because it might not be enough. But yeah, overall you didn't really miss too much. If anything, I probably could have cut it out. We'll just continue. The channel hasn't been around for super long. There is, of course, going to be a few minor flaws, but I will continue making content. But yeah. Oops. Did not want to do that. Alright, I'll see you guys once I have more cables and I'll start running them cables. You can see some of the cables there. It looks like a giant solar array. Oh, I'm dumb. It's not actually a solar array. Well, I'm gonna run cables over anyway because it looks interesting. If I give it power, it might do something. I'm gonna make it to networked power instead of directional power, so... yeah. So I'ma just kinda keep talking as I put these down. I know it might be a little boring, but if you want, you can just skip through it. I'm gonna start cutting less of the boring stuff out because I know there might be people out there that want to see it. But yeah. Making these videos is honestly really fun. I love making videos for you guys to enjoy. It's really nice to know that people enjoy this kind of content. And yeah. Just thank you guys. This is just a fun thing to do. And yeah, I ran out of cables again. Okay, yeah, crap. This time I actually did run out of cables. Sorry about that. Alright, I'm gonna go grab some malachite quickly. And yeah, everything's been going well. I mean, I made 200 views on my second day the channel has been up, which is just insane. Just thank you guys a lot. This is really a dream come true for me. I've always been wanting to do this. And now it's a reality. And without you guys to motivate me to make some more content, a lot of these funny, humorous videos might not even be out. Thanks a lot. Also, if you have any suggestions or ideas, leave them down in the comments. this deposit over here isn't super big either, like the other one over there that ran out super fast. Alright, I think that should be a decent amount. Let's head back to base. I will meet you guys when I'm back to... Okay, I'll meet you guys... I'll meet you guys when I'm running cables again. Alright, made it back here. We're about halfway, so... I only made 1 stack of cables, but I still, have more copper to make more cables. I just want to save copper. I don't want to make more extenders than I, need to. I have to drag this with me. Place it here. How am I already out? Oh, apparently there's only 5 per pack. Okay, that explains why it runs out quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my final thing of copper. I don't know if we'll make it. Actually, no, we might make it. We might make it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're not gonna make it. We just barely made it. Actually, I might be able to just take some of the batteries and use them as extenders. Since I don't have to toggle them on or off or maintain them, I'll just use them as them extenders. Actually, can I just put any object in here and then do this? Okay, unfortunately you can't. That would have been cool though. I did not want to put it in my backpack, oh my goodness. Alright, so I'ma just run them back over here to base. Oh, how am I gonna link them? That's... Ooh. Actually, I might be able to get away with doing this. Oh yeah, that works. Now let's go see if that structure's doing anything. La-di-da-di-doo, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-dee-doo-dee. Okay, the structure doesn't really seem to be doing anything. I don't know, I think it's just a random massive thingy. I don't really know it's for what the signal. Data circuit, okay, stop. Data circuit model B3-3/5. This blustery day would be perfect for tea, if only I could still drink it, or anything for that matter. Beatrice. There's a floodlight, and there's nothing there. Ignore that, that's just a rendering glitch. I don't know what that thing's problem is. It's doing it there too, just ignore it. Ooh, a new mission. Also, I'm taking this floodlight. Alright. There's actually some new stuff in this game I haven't explored yet. I'm kind of curious and excited to figure it out. Alright, now I'm just gonna sloop through here, leave, and, I don't know, park it somewhere. That scared me. I did not mean to do that. I'm sorry if that scared anyone else. I'm gonna get this. Oh, I know what this is for. You have to place this on the planet Glacio, but we'll do that on a different episode. What's the new mission about? Active. Oh, so there's multiple of these. I just get a rover seat. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Anyways. Let's go activate the core. Sorry about that. Do I have everything I need to go to the core? Probably not, but that's why we're gonna get ready. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna use this resin to make some more storage. Alright, now I need as much compound as physically possible for tethers. Oh my gosh. I need to get that figured out. Alright, while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna go get some more compound. I just need 2 more. I got 3, but I only needed 2. Ah well. Whee! That's actually kind of a useful boost. I had extras. Oh my gosh. My brain doesn't want to fully work at its full power. It's fine. Yoink, 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 yoink. This thing can make quartz, right? Yeah, because I need 2 quartz. Alright, I'm gonna make some tethers, but I'm also gonna gather some soil to make some quartz. Alright, I'll see you guys when everything's ready. Alrighty, everything's ready to go. We got a bunch of tethers and some quartz. Now we're ready to get digging. Let's go. We'll continue off this path that I already have dug out. And we will continue digging down through here. So basically it's just a bunch of digging until you get to the core of the planet. It's called a nucleus by the game developers, but the community usually calls it the core, and so do I, so I'm gonna keep it that way. That's a bit steep. I'm gonna make it a tad less steep so it's easier to get back up later. And also, yeah, I got some compound that could be a little useful if I do run out of tethers on the way down. I most likely won't, but it's good to have an emergency backup. But I'm also low on backpack space from my preparations, so. Well, let's just keep going. I'll meet you guys when I reach, wait, no. Sorry, speaking struggles. I will catch up with you guys, when I reach the mantle. Alright, I've made it to the mantle. It's red and pink everywhere. I mean, right now we're in the middle of the planet. Gravity is definitely noticeably lower. About halfway down to the core. And yeah, things are gonna get interesting from here. Oh, there's a massive mushroom. I'm gonna just dig around that. Holy. I'm kind of tempted to jump down. But then I can't tether down. No! Tether, you're not allowed to leave. You never got your taxes filed, so you're staying here. You may not leave unless I say so. Which will be never. Ha 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 ha. Alright. Let's keep digging. I'll meet you guys when we reach the core or something else interesting happens. Nah, that plant was hacking for real. Alright, we are now in the core. It's a different day now. I had to stop recording and continue another day due to time constraints, but we're in the core now, or we're close to it. We're not technically in it, but yeah. Ooh, it's getting harder to dig. That's good. I mean, that means we're closer to the core. Gravity is also pretty weak. There we go, now it says we're in the core. Right under that ground, there's the core. Down at the bottom. Alright, I'll see you guys once we make it down there. Alright, we're at the core now. Let's go! My tether disconnected. Right, there we go. Well, we're in the planet's nucleus now. So... Whee! Whoa, this is trippy. Going on down into the planet's core. Here we are. Now let's activate this thing. Let's do this. Bam! Completed a mission. Now we can teleport back up. Alright, I'll see you guys when I'm back at base. Wait. We're now back at base. Now we're gonna take that thing up. What do I mean up? You'll see in a minute. Need to print the thruster because we get there via rocket. So I'm gonna grab you. I'm gonna take this old thruster out. After you get this done, they'll pretty much conclude it for this video. Alright, let's do this. I'll see you guys at the satellite. Yes, it's a satellite. Alright, here we are. Let's land right here. Woo! Heck yeah. Now let's place it down right here. Boom. Alright, now let's get back to Silva and we'll end the video. And we'll see y'all in part 4. This episode has been fun. It is pretty long though, but we all had our fun. What the heck is that? Oh, I know it's Glitchwalkers related, but it's probably just a little bug with how the game handles planets and stuff. Alright, where are we? Probably not on this side. Right there, right there. Whoops. Okay, that was a goofy mistake. Whatever, I at least landed close enough to base to just take this thing over. Put this thing right here. And there we have it. That concludes it for this video. I will see you guys later. Peace out, dudes.